Now that we're using our shop here to work on things, our lighting is actually horrible. We just got that light, and these lights, and it's not bright enough in here. You can't see anything, especially at night if you're trying to work on anything or you have the door shut. It's pretty dark. So I ended up picking these up. Little LED lights from picked them up from Walmart. They were only like 22 bucks. 5,000 lumen a piece. I've heard a lot of people talking about them, and they seem like they do a really good job. So I'm going to replace these two lights for now and see what kind of difference that gives me. And I think I'll probably get a couple more, probably two more at least to put over here. So let's get started. First thing you want to do, switch off. That should cut all the power up there. Should be all right, and I won't get electrocuted. So these are just regular boxes for lights, round boxes. The new lights they plug into like a regular outlet. So I'm gonna take these boxes down, and I got two regular boxes that I'm gonna put up, and grab two outlets. So regular boxes, regular outlets, and I'll wire those in, and then I'll hang my lights and get them put up there. It's always a good idea to get everything laid out, see what you got going on. Instructions, nobody reads them. Just a little pull cord, and then a little plug-in. What's nice about these that they're already wired up. A lot of times, you know, you get the other lights and you gotta wire them in. Not really a big deal. Yeah, perfect lighting with the sun to deal with it. Alright, looks like we got two chains. Two anchors. These I'll just screw into the studs up there. And then I guess they should just let it go in and hang right there. Or these will screw in up there. These will hook onto that. And then these bottom ones will hook into here. Like that. So it'll hang like that. All right, that looks pretty good. For as big this thing is, I mean, look at the size of it compared to my head. You'd think it'd put off a bit more light. It doesn't do.
Next level.
Alright, so that was pretty quick and easy. You see, it only took me a couple minutes. I'm going to go ahead and test this one, and then we can put the other one in. Oh yeah, that thing's pretty bright. Alright, well it works. So I guess what really gonna tell is see how it looks at night. Just so you can see too, we got pretty gold there, like a white or just silver chrome on that side. The gold is usually your hot, the other side is your neutral, and green always ground. Oh man, this box already has tape on it. That's never a good sign. The other box didn't have any tape. I'm gonna go ahead and assume that this one's already shut off too. So see if that turns on first shot. My luck is I gotta go back up that ladder. Alright, so I got the barn door shut. And I mean, I guess it is brighter in here. But it's not like a huge difference. It's not the difference that I was kind of thinking it would have. I mean, yeah, I guess it is a bit brighter in here. I think I'm definitely gonna grab a couple more. Probably throw one over here if I go a long ways with it. I know on Amazon people have gotten like 8-foot ones. So I think if I throw like an 8-foot one up here, that would make a huge difference on that area. Over here, I mean, looking at the ground, it's pretty bright. I think it's definitely brighter. It's a whiter light. All right, so I actually went and picked up 2 more of those lights. Now that it's getting darker, these actually do seem a lot brighter. But we still have this really dark, shadowy area over here. I don't know how well it is in the camera, but you can see it's dark up there, and then everything else is pretty well lit up. So I'm probably gonna move these over one, because I got one more rafter tie that I can put it to. So I'll move those one more this way, and then I'll put these over this way more, kind of get more light everywhere. All right, so camera kept dying before, but it's dark out now. Battery's charged. Let's do a quick test on these lights. Yeah, that's probably, you can see all the way out there. It glows almost my whole driveway. These lights are super bright now. All right, well, job done. Garage looks good. I think we'll be able to do a bit of work at night now. Kermit jacket. Yeah, I'd definitely call that quite a bit of a success. Like I said, with the 2 lights, it just wasn't enough. I threw those other 2 up front there, and it was definitely made the huge difference that I was looking for. But now we can get a lot of stuff fixed.